What's up guys, Justin here with the realtimeessentials.com. So in today's video we're going to talk about the new bundle that's in the Unity asset store. Let's go ahead and just jump into it. Alright, so yesterday Unity put out this post on their Twitter feed talking about what they're doing to support the people of Ukraine. And so their goal is to support 4 international humanitarian charities focused on helping the people of Ukraine. And so you can learn more about these 4 charities right here. You can click on each one of them and the link is going to take you to the pages of those charities. So in addition, they also have 2 initiatives right now running in the Unity Asset Store. And so if you go to assetstore.unity.com/Ukraine, you can see more information about these 2 initiatives. So the first is the initiative where they're going to be supporting publishers in Ukraine. So there's over 500 Asset Store publishers that are currently based in Ukraine. Currently, Unity is going to donate 100% of the revenue from those assets. So their piece or their take of the asset sales to humanitarian charities supporting Ukraine. So those 4 charities we talked about before. And so if you scroll down on this page, you can see some of the different asset store or assets that are contained inside of the asset store from Ukrainian creators. So you can kind of see what's available there. If you do purchase any of those, obviously you're going to be supporting those creators, but in addition, those proceeds are going to be going towards those 4 charities. So you can check those out on the assetstore.unity.com/Ukraine. In addition, they also have a mega bundle going on right now. The mega bundle is going to work the same way. So basically 100% of the proceeds from the mega bundle are going to be donated to those charities. So this is something where anything that you purchase here is going to be donated. I'm going to link to this on this page. I'm not going to do it as an affiliate link or anything like that. That way I'm not taking a piece of that. Literally anything that you get through that link is going to go straight through the Unity Asset Store. But let's take a look at what's contained inside of here. So this works kind of like the other bundles that we've seen in the past. So you've got 3 tiers. So you've got the $20 plus tier, which is going to come with this water shader, the stylized town, the Everloop nonlinear soundtrack, and the realistic forest textures pack. And so what Everloop is going to do, so basically this is going to be a system for creating loopable soundtracks for your game. So those are basically going to loop in the background continuously. The realistic forest textures pack is exactly what it sounds like. There's 15 realistic forest textures and materials in that pack. So if we look at the second tier, so if you donate $30+, then you're going to get access to these 4, in addition to having access to the 4 from the previous tier as well. So the second tier is going to contain the Farm Animal Sounds Pack, the Monster Bundle number 6, which is going to come with the Medusa, Minotaur, Troll, etc., the Basilica Cathedral asset, as well as the Global Illumination Proxy. So again, personally, I know I've talked about the farm in the past, but really like the farm animal sounds, obviously. It's got 410 original high-quality domestic animal sounds. So if you are adding any kind of animal sounds, that could be a good pack for you. You can click on each one of these and learn a little bit more about them from that page. So that's what you're going to get if you donate the $30 tier. If you donate the $40 tier, then you're going to get access to a bunch more assets. Alright, and so this one is going to come with the Shift UI. I'm not going to cover every one of these, but this comes with the Shift UI complete sci-fi UI pack. So that's going to help you create sci-fi UIs inside of Unity. So we've talked about the detailed medieval village in the past. So this is a super detailed village pack from the guys over at Astrofish Games. So I remember being very impressed with the level of detail contained inside of these assets. So that's going to be a pretty good size asset pack. So it's got a bunch of different model pieces that are kind of modular. It's got a bunch of prefabs, other things like that. The Blockout Medieval Castle was actually really interesting as well. So that's like a full castle pack that was designed to help you block out a medieval castle like this. So that was a super cool asset to me. So the Polygon Farm Pack, that's going to be the farm assets from the low poly 3D art by Cinti. You can actually get more of those assets right now over on Humble Bundle because they've got the big low poly 3D art sale going on over there right now. In addition, you've got the Weather Maker for making volumetric clouds and weather. You've got the Sci-Fi Arsenal, which is a VFX pack. So that's going to come with 580 different parts particle effect prefabs. So that's going to be a prefab pack, so you can create like flamethrowers and explosions and other things like that. So multiple different model and asset packs. The corals and the ghoul crew are in here. Just a whole bunch of stuff in here. The 100 special skills effects pack, that's going to be a pack of special effects that you can use. So again, that's going to have different effects, like looks like it's got like ice and fire and other things like that. So you can see a list of those down here. So magic, ice, blood, etc. We've got the love-hate system, which was contained in a previous Humble bundle as well. So that's kind of the relationship management tool. So if you wanted to make a game with like interpersonal relationships in it, that's going to be a good asset for doing that. So we've got several others in here. The low poly wild animals. I'm always a sucker for the animal packs, so totally enjoy those. So that's a large pack of low poly forest animals. So it's got 7 different species with a bunch of different animations. So overall, you're going to get a bunch of different kinds of assets. So like bears and boars and deers and other things like that. So those are currently going to be included in this list if you're looking for any low poly animals that are in here. And then probably the biggest name one in here is Gaia 2021, the terrain and scene generator. So we haven't talked about this too much in depth on the channel. We may talk about it in the future, but basically this is a world and level generation system basically designed to help you create different environments. So we can get more in depth on this in the future, but it's basically a tool designed to help you create these different environments. So if you're interested in a tutorial on that, leave a comment down below. So that's basically what's contained inside of this bundle. So if you are interested in the bundle, that's going to be active for looks like about 28 more days. So I will link to all of these resources in the notes down below so that you can check all of them out. So this is not something where I want to get super political, but at the same time, it is a situation where some people are in trouble and this could be a good way to help. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.